Have you ever wondered from where do we get cotton, jute, silk, wool, honey, milk, water, chalk and etc. from? And all these resources have some utility, right? In this video we will try to find out about from where do we get these materials and resources from. First of all, from where do we get cotton and cotton clothes? We get it from cotton fiber, which is made from cotton balls, of course. And what about jute? We get it from the jute plant, which mainly grows in the rainy season, right? Jute grows mainly in the rainy season. And from where do we get jute from? That's the answer, that we get jute from plants. Is that clear, everybody? Now, where do we get silk from? I think everyone might be thinking from silkworm, but it comes from the mulberry tree and also from the silkworms. From where do we get wool from? We get wool from the skin of animals like sheep, yak, goat, etc. From many animals we get wool, right? And silk is very soft material which is used to make saris, kurtas for occasions, but it is very expensive also, right? And what about honey? Where it comes from? Well, you might be thinking obviously it comes from honeybee, but that's not all. It comes from honeybee, but first the bee sucks the nectar from the flowers. From where do we get milk from? It's obvious that it comes from cow, goat, yak and other animals, but the most common milk that we human beings drink is the cow milk and buffalo milk, right? Isn't it true? Now, from where do we get water from? Well, if you are thinking the source of water are rivers, ponds, lakes and seas, then you're wrong. The main source of water is, can you guess what? The main source of water is rain. Now, what do you think about the chalk that we used to write on the blackboard comes from? Well, it's so simple. It comes from, first of all, I want to tell you that chalk is a soft, white, porous sedimentary rock, a form of limestone composed of the mineral calcite, and now it is originally formed deep under the sea by the compression of submicroscopic plankton which had fallen to the sea floor. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe our channel to get notified, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So we'll see you in the next video. Till that, goodbye.